In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access chat settings in Discord. Whether you want to customize how your messages look, adjust text display, enable or disable certain chat features, or just explore what Discord offers, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything. If you're new to Discord or just haven't explored your settings before, don't worry, this is very beginner-friendly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Discord tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open Discord. You can do this either through the desktop app on Windows or Mac, or by going to discord.com in your web browser and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main Discord interface, with your servers on the left side, your channels in the middle, and your active chat on the right. Now, to access your chat settings, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture, your username, and a small gear icon right next to it. That gear icon is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open the main settings panel where you can control everything related to your Discord account. After clicking on user settings, a new menu will appear. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical sidebar with different categories like My Account, Profiles, Privacy and Safety, and more. What we're looking for is the chat settings option. Scroll down slightly if you need to, and then click on Chat in the left sidebar. Once you click on Chat, you'll be taken to the chat settings page. This is where you can customize how messages appear and behave in Discord. Depending on your version of Discord, you may see options like display settings, message grouping, emoji behavior, link previews, text-to-speech settings, and more. For example, you can control whether messages are displayed in a compact mode or a more spacious, cozy layout. Compact mode is great if you want to see more messages on your screen at once, while cozy mode gives more spacing and larger profile pictures. You can also toggle options related to showing embeds and previewing links, which can be helpful if you want a cleaner chat experience. Another important area in chat settings is text and image display. Here, you can adjust how images, videos, and GIFs load in your chats. If you prefer faster performance or want to reduce distractions, you can disable automatic media previews. On the other hand, if you enjoy seeing everything in line, you can keep those options enabled. Take a few minutes to explore these settings and adjust them based on your personal preference. The great thing about Discord is that changes are applied instantly, so you can experiment and immediately see how your chat experience changes. And that's it. That's how you access chat settings in Discord. It only takes a few clicks. Open Discord, click the gear icon in the lower left corner, and then select Chat from the sidebar. From there, you're free to customize your messaging experience exactly how you like it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy Discord tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.